this almost 20 years this year, and I've had the company for 15 years, and every single client in working together with them on CRM had an issue with data quality, which is sort of how we got into the data quality business. There's nothing you can do without good data, but everybody has a problem with it. And there are all kinds of challenges. Problems include we don't have any data, or we have too much data, or data is everywhere. It's in spreadsheets, it's in databases, it's in people's heads, it's in their Outlook. And if it's in Outlook, it's typically dated and it's incorrect and incomplete, and we run into just a ton of different data quality challenges, duplicative data and communications data, lists data. You have to think about all the different places that the data lives. So many firms have so many lists and they're sending things out and the data degrades pretty quickly and they've got a lot of bounces. And people typically either leave them on the list and they continue to bounce, which can cause you to get blacklisted as a spammer, or they just pull them out and they're gone and they don't bother to research them. So bounces are really sort of a treasure trove that a lot of firms should focus more on. Then you've got, of course, incorrect and incomplete. We don't have the information there we need. Or we've got orphaned records. So, the contacts belong to an attorney who left the firm 10 years ago. They're still in the database. They're not on any list. They don't have any activity, but there they are still cluttering up the database. And then, of course, missing information that you really need. We used to think, I don't really need address data. What do I need that for? I don't mail things anymore. And then GDPR and all of the global privacy regs hit. And suddenly we need to know what country they're in. And then COVID hit and we're sending things to people's homes and we certainly didn't have that information. So there's a lot of bad data.